Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Presenting my next vlog on the Vazhachal Falls. Vazhachal Falls is situated on the Chalakkudi river, approximately 5 kilometers from the entrance of the more famous Athirappilly Falls and about 36 kilometers away from Chalakkudi town. The nearest railway station to this waterfalls is Chalakkudi railway station and the nearest airport is Cochin International Airport. One can use the same entrance ticket purchased at the Athirappilly Falls to visit these falls, as no separate ticket is needed. The entry to the waterfalls is open from morning 8 am to evening 5 pm on all days of the week, but the morning time is the best time to visit this waterfall. Basic amenities such as restrooms and parking facilities are available for visitors at this waterfall. There is a biodiversity park developed right next to the falls where one can sit and enjoy the beauty of the falls at leisure. This waterfalls is unique in the sense that the water cascades down a rocky landscape flowing through an inclined slope of over 300 feet into a large pool. Bathing is strictly prohibited at these falls as the water current is very strong. One can also visit Chinmini Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a short drive distance from Vazhachal Falls and is home to diverse wildlife and offers various trekking opportunities. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing videos are coming up. Thanks for watching, bye and take care.